52. Most of us are familiar with an EKG. This is an electric scan of your heart, represented by lines moving up and down. And if you've ever seen a graph of the stock market, also represented by lines moving up and down, this is because anything alive is represented by some level of movement. So if you serve Jesus Christ, the one true living God, then by reason of his sovereignty, his goodness, there must be some level of movement in your life. If I could just encourage you for a second, whatever the problems are in your life, whatever the mountain is, whether it's something financial, a problem at work, issues going on with your health, maybe it could be a problem with your family. Whatever you consider a mountain, something standing still that's a problem in your life, by reason of the God you serve, it does not have the authority to stay there. But how many of us know you can go to the hospital? You can even speak with the physician. They can connect you to the machine for the EKG. But if the leads, the cords they use to connect you to the machine are damaged, you'll still show a flat line, meaning there won't be any movement on that graph. Not because the machine isn't there, not because it was a fake physician that you spoke with, but because there was a problem with the connection. So in the same way, Group 52, there's people that attend church, say they believe in Jesus, read the Bible, some may even pray, but they don't experience any movement that shows them that their God is alive. It's not because God isn't. Simply check your connections. I encourage you to take a good look at your life this week, Group 52. If you're not seeing the movement, the life that you need to see to believe, I encourage you to take a look around and maybe you'll realize, hey, I show up to church, I may be present, but my mind is far, it's still absent. Maybe you don't attend a church, maybe you're not in the right place at all. Make sure you're getting what you need, because there's no sense in waking up, attending, joining the congregation only to stay the same. Make sure you get the change, the movement that you need to see. And if there's a problem not moving, check your connections. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you and have the best week of your life.